Hello guys, for today's video I will be showing you how to enable FPS counter on the finals. So if you have downloaded it on your PC, you just have to go to your Steam account, and once you're in, go to here on the tab, click on the finals playtest, and you should make sure that under that you have enabled Steam overlay while in game, as you can see here on the settings and under general. And so once you're in, go to here, click the Steam logo, and go to settings here on the tab below. Once you're in, kindly go to the in-game under Steam settings here, the tab in-game, and you just have to make sure that your in-game FPS counter high contrast is turned on, as well as the one above it, the FPS counter is settings is overlay is clicked, is turned on. That's it. Thank you for watching, and hope that solves your problem.